All right, so that's my son had a great idea here for a little video for you guys. So this has been Ryobi here. So little live scene of what's going on here. So as you know, like me and my son are fish breeder. Here's Martin from Martin's Amazing Fish Room right here. He's the one that does all the sale for those fish he's breeding. So right now we're doing our aquarium reseal. And here's the couple of Ryobi tools that we're using for this. Well, today is one of the hottest day of the summer, so it's above 30 degrees. So we're using the misting fan, of course, to keep us cold while we're doing the tank reseal. And here we're using the 3-gallon Ryobi vacuum with a 6 amp hour battery on it. So we're using this because all the silicone that we're scraping at the bottom of this aquarium to do the tank reseal, before we put new silicone, everything needs to be like perfectly dry, perfectly clean, no dirt, no old silicone left over. So this becomes pretty handy. So the part number for this is P3240ID, and that's the 18-volt one. So you can, that's a wet dry one, so we're using it on the dry mode right now, but you can use it on the wet mode too if you would have some water in the tank. But this tank has been drying for weeks now because we haven't enough time to do the reseal yet. And then that misting fan here is the new misting fan from Ryobi, from the Whisper series. And this has been very good. I think pretty refreshing.
Yeah, whenever it's hot out, it makes it not as warm.
Yeah. So there you have it, right? I cannot always just show you some demo in the garage and hold piece of steel and drilling or doing anything like that just for demo. You have the live demo here of what we're up to. Here's what you can expect with the misting fan. So I started this around 12:30. Now it's been running for like a little bit more than 2.5 hours. And see the bucket, I didn't even refill it yet. So it was like at this line here when I started, and now it's just about here. So it went down maybe 3" in that 5-gallon pail, and I got that fan. There's a 6 amp hour battery in it, and been running it. The fan is on high and the misting is on low, so it just gives you a little expectation of how long it will be running. I don't know, I don't have time today to finish the test here, so I cannot tell you when the battery is actually going to die or when the bucket's going to be out of water at that speed. But if we say that we're going about 3" of water down every 2.5 to 3 hours, and the bucket water is about here right now, which is probably another like 10". So we should have another like almost 9 hours of water in here anyway. Yeah, anyway, let me know what you think, and if you tested yours to know how long it's gonna run. I'll do another test another day. I'll start it right away in the morning and see how long it lasts. Until then, see you in the next video.